So, welcome to the DeFi Einstein YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to set up your MAESTRO Sniper bot. Alright, so MAESTRO Sniper bot is one of the bots that is available that makes trade to be very fast. It makes you to trade fast. Alright, and one thing that I want you to take note of is this, that the goal of trading is to buy low and sell high, and it matters the time you enter into a trade, how fast you can enter once you receive the contract address to any token. Probably there's a decrease in price. Maybe you can say, oh, this token, you just saw it that, oh, this token has dipped maybe almost 50%, and you want to open immediately. So this is one of the reasons why we use MAESTRO Sniper bot to leverage on taking advantage of dip, or taking advantage of time. You understand? You are always ahead of those that are trying to buy any token whatsoever using maybe a decentralized exchange. Alright, so this is what I'll be sharing with you, how to set up your MAESTRO Sniper bot. Alright, so the first thing you need is that you must download a Telegram app. You must have it. You can see this is my Telegram app. Alright, so you come to your Telegram and you come up here. You can see this search box. So you click on this search box and you want to search for MAESTRO Sniper bot. You can see MAESTRO Sniper bot. So you click on it. This is it. This first one, you can see it with the logo. This first guy. So you click on it. Alright, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to click on start. Alright, the moment you click on start, you see it will tell you this is the official MAESTRO Sniper bot deployed by MAESTRO bot. I can snipe calls, channels, pre-sale, and many more to come. So fire sniper, so you can input sniper like this. You can see these are the things that you must fulfill to use this bot. Or you can come also, you can just write this prompt also any way you want it and just put it. It is still the same thing. So you can see, to access this sniper bot, you must be a member of the MAESTRO Sniper bot channel. You have to join the channel. All right, so look, this is the first thing you have to join this channel, number one. And number two, you have to be number two, you have to be a member of MAESTRO bot group. All right, let's do the first one. All right, so we are going to click on this MAESTRO Sniper bot. So the first thing for us was to join. All right, so we can go back. So the second thing is what it said: be a member of MAESTRO bot group. This is the MAESTRO bot group. You have to join the group to use the bot at MAESTRO bot. You have to join the group to use the bot. Look, it said at MAESTRO bot is just a portal for the actual group. You have to join the actual group using the portal. So let's go. Let's click on it, because we are this place is where many people have issues using the MAESTRO Sniper bot. Alright, so you click on this MAESTRO bot. Alright, so you don't need to join. This is just a portal. It was set there already. So you just click on tap to verify. You can see, click on tap to verify. Alright, so once you click on tap to verify, you are going to click on verify. You can see this verify. Click on verify. Alright, so you have to do this human vacuum. You click on click here. Alright, load. Alright, so you can see this is the link. Verify you can join the group using the temporary. So you click on this link. So this is the group you have to join. Alright, so we go back. We have joined it already. So we go back. Alright, so the last one said be a member of at MAESTRO bot hub. So you are clicking on this link again. So this is the last one. You click on it. So you can see we joined, and thereafter we go back, we proceed, and again we now come right now. I said once you join all three, send the sniper command again. It might take up to 10 seconds for the access to be granted. So you click on sniper, you click on it again. So you can see this is the prompt it will bring for you. You will receive this prompt once you've joined all those channels. If you didn't join any of those groups, what will happen is I won't bring this prompt out for you. So you must join the way I showed you. Alright, so the next thing we have to do is that we have to actually create our wallet. So you are going to click on wallet. You can see wallet. So you are clicking on wallet. Alright, so for the purpose of this video, let's stick to Binance Smart Chain network. You can whichever network you want to use, you want to trade on, that's the network you are choosing. So you can trade Solana, Ton, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain tokens, Arbitrum, Base, Avax, Metis, Linear tokens on the MAESTRO Sniper bot. Alright, so I'm clicking on BSC for the purpose of this video, BSC. Alright, so You can see in this video I already have this particular bot. I already have a wallet connected, so I can actually disconnect the wallet. I'll confirm disconnection of the wallet. So for you, if you that are just trying to make this particular bot, what you are going to do is you are going to have to click on connect wallet. If you want to connect an existing wallet, but you that you are watching this video that you are just using this app for the first time, you can just try and make sure that you generate a new wallet. So you click on generate wallet. You can see generate wallet. So that's what you are clicking on, generate wallet. All right, you see we've generated the wallet. One thing you must take note of anytime you generate a wallet is that you must write down your private keys and your mnemonic phrase. All right, don't copy it. You can see, make sure to save this mnemonic phrase or private key using pen and paper only. Do not copy paste it anywhere. So never back up your secret phrase, your private key on an online platform or on your phone. It is risky. Your phone can be hacked into and they will get access to your phone. So the first thing you have to do is to write out this private key and mnemonic phrase. Once you write it out, maybe in your diary, in an offline place, just write it. Once you write it down, you can proceed to delete this message. You just proceed, you mark it the way I mark it, and you click on delete, you delete it. All right. So the next thing is, once you are done with that, you can just click on this menu and click on quick. You can see quick. All right, quick. All right, you can see this menu is actually showing you. You can see this menu. This menu is showing you, is giving you details on settings of this your particular wallet. All right. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.